drop off your car at the dealership for inspections or repairs. While working on your car, the technician notices extra work that needs to be done. In full transparency, he films a video to show you and explain the works needed as well as their urgency level. The service advisor gets a notification that an intervention has been created. He completes the file, price of the repairs, contact information, message, and sends it to you via email and/or text message. You receive an email and/or text message from your dealership. You can watch the videos and pictures with the technician's explanation and accept the work you want to be done in the electronic quote. The service advisor and technician get a notification that you have accepted the repairs. The technician can therefore move on with the work. You can come pick up your vehicle on time, knowing exactly what was done on your car and the amount of the repairs. You're looking for a new car. You find the car of your dreams on a dealership's website and ask for more information. To give you a more personal and visual overview of the car, the sales advisor shoots a video presentation of the car and sends it to you via email and/or text message. You receive a link where you can view the personalized videos, pictures, and a price offer. You can view the videos and pictures on any device, anywhere, anytime, and as many times as you want. You can also share the link with your friends and family for their advice. This original presentation convinced you. You ask to be contacted by the dealership. The sales advisor gets a notification and contacts you to fix an appointment. You come by the dealership and recognize the salesperson from the video. All you need to do is sign the paperwork and it's yours. You leave the dealership with your new car. If later on you forget how an option works, your sales advisor can also send you video explanations via FleetPath.